Let's talk about this bull run and let's talk about all-time highs. And mostly today, let's talk about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an example of cryptocurrency in all of its magnificence. All right, that's a word. So stick around. Let's talk about Dogecoin. I'm gonna give you my opinion. Hey YouTube, it's your girl, The Real Teddy Talks, educating you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on entrepreneurship, your hustle and your grind, and building generational wealth. And today we're going to do a quick video about Dogecoin, DOGE. For those of you who are following cryptocurrency or even have heard anything about cryptocurrency, you've likely heard about a coin or a token named Dogecoin. Dogecoin was created as a joke. They call it a meme coin. They put a Shiba Inu, that dog on there, and it was a joke. Then as it developed, this is back in like 2016, as it developed and longer, it became a coin used as a tipping mechanism, a way to raise money for charities, a way to give people like on Reddit or on YouTube or on Facebook who are doing good things, just to give them a little tip to throw them some Dogecoin. And it works just like that. Like if I like what you're doing, I'll put 10 Dogecoin in your kitty, in your wallet or whatever. And it's very similar to Redcoin. If anyone can remember Redcoin, that was like a Reddit-based tipping mechanism, which I believed in wholeheartedly. And I'm so sad it turned into nothing, all right? I didn't put a lot of money in it, but it was like worth less than a penny. So I had like 200,000 shares of it, just because I was hoping that it would do what Dogecoin did. Anyway, I digress. Dogecoin went from 3 cents a coin, this is probably maybe a week ago or 2 weeks ago, to now I think it's sitting at
40 cents.
So those of us who invested in Dogecoin back when it was less than a penny had a really good week. And those of you who've invested in Dogecoin when it was at 3 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents,
40 cents,
$1.25, you're having a good week. And this is the beauty of cryptocurrency. That's all I can say. There is a coin that almost means nothing. It's pretty worthless on the true market, all right? Like you can't use Dogecoin on Amazon. You can't go to the corner store and buy a sandwich and pay with Dogecoin. I can't get any of my computer gear and my lights with Dogecoin, all right? I can't pay bills with Dogecoin. So it doesn't have a true purpose, it doesn't have a true platform, and it's not something you would look for when you're researching cryptocurrencies to invest in. However, people who invested in Dogecoin are loving it. They're bragging, they're happy, they're pulling out that money, paying off some student loans, putting down payments on their house, maybe buying a new car, or taking themselves out for a seafood dinner. All right, whatever their level of investment was, they're happy. And that is why you need to be an early adopter in cryptocurrency. I stress this in my cryptocurrency course. Get on the wait list now. In the description box, get on the wait list. I stress this in my course. When you're an early adopter, you can benefit from all of the market changes, the idiosyncrasies, the uniqueness of it, the sheer fact that it's new. You can make money. So the time to get in cryptocurrency is now. The time to learn about cryptocurrency is now. The time to understand the market cycles and cryptocurrency is now. I can't stress it. If I bought Dogecoin at 0.005, that's 0.005 cents, and just say I bought 200,000 shares and it's at $1.25.
40
now,
cents.
You tell me how much money I invested and you tell me how much money I have now. I invested pennies, hundreds of dollars. And then how much money I have now. Multiply that by
40 cents.
So if you want to make money in cryptocurrency, you're not always going to pick right. Like to profit from Dogecoin from that point, I would have had to hold it from 2017 until this moment, 2021. I would have to have had that sitting out there, believing that during the next bull run, it's going to go up for no reason at all, which it did, and I'm going to make some money because some whales put some money in. Some multimillionaires put a lot of money into it, and that pumped that price, and it's still pumping and pumping hard. It's going to come down. So maybe that's your chance to get in and hope it happens again. But this is the market cycle. This is cryptocurrency. I'm not suggesting you go invest in Doge because it's at an all-time high. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Lose the FOMO, the fear of missing out, and maybe you need to wait. But what I am saying is Doge is not the only coin that's ever done it. It's not going to be the only coin to ever do it. So it's a good time to learn and see where you can get in, where you fit in, and start making some money. That's my one tip of the day. That's my opinion about Dogecoin. I think it's still a crap coin, but it doesn't mean you can't make money. And don't be so high and mighty like I used to be back in the early days of crypto, where I felt like if the coin didn't have a true purpose, a true platform, it wasn't solving a problem, then it was a crap coin, I'm not investing in it. I changed my tune after the last bull run because there are coins that had no purpose, no value. And if you get in and you get out soon enough, you can make a lot of money. Learn more in my cryptocurrency course, my introduction for beginners, and learn how to invest in cryptocurrency with confidence. Invest in yourself just 1% a day. Reach your exponential greatness and have phenomenal results at the end of any given year. This is The Real Teddy Talks, signing off.